Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a disinfecting and deep clean video. I'm going to disinfect and deep clean the areas of my house that I normally don't get to when I'm doing a regular clean. And I am actually doing this video as a collaboration with my friend Becca here on YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and insert a little clip of her and let her introduce herself.
Hey guys, my name's Becca. I am a mom to 3 boys. One is going to be 13 this month, and then I have a 2.5-year-old and a 2-month-old. I am also a military spouse. My husband's in the Air Force and we are currently stationed in Texas. I have a YouTube channel here where I love to do cleaning videos, relatable day in the life, mommy vlogs. I also like to do beauty every now and then. I would love it if you guys come over to my channel when you're done watching Jesse's video and come check out my video and subscribe and stick around. We would love to have you in the family.
I will leave Becca's channel in the description box below, and I will add her up in the card, so when you are done watching my video you can go over there and check her out. She is really awesome. I started watching her myself when she was still pregnant with her youngest baby. As I showed in the beginning of the video, I am using a bucket full of hot water and white vinegar and a dash of Mrs. Meyer's peppermint. And I'm also using these Sam's Club Members Mark disinfecting wipes, and I'm going around and wiping all the door handles and all the light switches and just trying to get everything like germ free. This is the time of year everyone gets sick, and I don't have time for that. I do not want to get sick in my house. I want to get rid of all the germs. Vacuuming the stairs is part of my kids' chores and they usually do it, but since I was going to be wiping down the banister and the baseboards, I figured I would give at least half the stairs a good vacuum. I didn't want to the cat moved up to one step and I was like, I'll just let you sleep. But I was actually very surprised at how much kind of gunk I got off of the baseboards on the stairs and on the banister railings, because that's something I don't think about, is wiping those down. And now I'm going to be doing that much more often. These wipes were black, and I'll show you in a minute, because I was so shocked at how dirty these got. Disgusting! And our hands go up and down them several times a day. It was crazy. I'm a shorty, so there is another spot in my house that I don't usually pay attention to, and that is the ceiling and the cobwebs up there, because I don't look up. I look straight ahead and I don't pay attention to what is above me. So I was kind of shocked with how many cobwebs I had up there, and I love using my Dyson and the little brush attachment to get all the spider webs. Another thing I don't actually do a lot in the dining room is wash down all the chair rail molding and the baseboards. I recently did wash my curtains because at Christmas time one of my little nephews left a beautiful little cranberry handprint on my white curtains, but luckily it did come out. I actually do clean my chandelier off often because it kind of grosses me out to know that we're sitting down eating dinner and having like a dusty light above us. So I do actually wipe that down often, but I figured I'd include it since I was in the room and I was getting everything cleaned. The majority of the doors in my house are actually painted black, and if I could redo that again, I would not do that. I like the look of it. It looks very like modern farmhouse, but the black scratches off really easily. I think I would like the contrast of the black handles on a white door, but you gotta live and learn. We did it. It looks good, but the upkeep is crazy, as you could see from my front door and my garage door. My dog had a little bit of separation anxiety when we first got him, and he scratched it up, and I've yet to repaint it. He doesn't scratch the doors anymore, but I still haven't fixed where he did do damage. also wipe down these. This is the doors to my laundry closet. I do wipe down these often because I am always wiping down my kitchen cabinets, because where the white is pretty and like trendy and everybody's like, oh, I love your white cabinets, and I used to love white cabinets until I realized that it shows everything. But that might be a good thing that it shows everything, because it is constantly making me wipe it down and clean it off, and if I can't see the dirt, then I probably won't try to clean it off. So I guess in the long run, having it show everything is better than having gunky kitchen cabinets and not knowing it, I guess. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I make a Raid Done series on Sunday. And go check out Becca's channel and tell her I said hi.